Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a long time that I did the last video. I had run a poll on Instagram asking you guys for suggestions of possible vlog ideas during this lockdown. I got a lot of good suggestions and then suddenly I realized that I had kept the Ramadan special series on hold for the last 2 weeks for obvious reasons all of you guys already know. So what we've thought of is we are going to conclude the Ramadan series today. I found out that Barbecue Nation is having a special hamper box for Ramadan and it's priced at 999 rupees and I thought that's what we're going to order. So we're going to be ordering in from Barbecue Nation using their app. It's also giving some amazing crazy discounts. I'm going to show you how it is. Alright, so this is the Barbecue Nation app. You go to delivery over here and then you're going to find a host of options: barbecue in a box, grills in a box, biryani and kebabs, meals in a box, and then here are the two special Ramadan special, which is the iftar meal, or you have a Ramadan hamper box. Then once it's added to the cart, you select your address. It's 999. Then you add a coupon. So you have a flat 25% discount when you're using the Barbecue Nation app. If you're ordering the same via Zomato and Swiggy, it's going to be roughly around 900 to 950 if you have a coupon. Without coupon, it's going to be around 1050. So now my order amount is 800. So proceed to add. You select the time. I'm selecting 7:15, which is the next available slot. Proceed to pay. And the payment is successful. Hey, address to ठीक दीजिए लग तो. So while we're waiting for our order to come, I also got a few suggestions on Instagram that possibly a few videos which I should make is videos of me cooking. Whoever has been following my vlogs from the starting or those who joined in late would not have an idea perhaps that I cannot cook at all. I'll just show you how my kitchen is. I think it's been maybe more than a year that someone has entered this kitchen. So it's a surprise that you don't have any bats flying out from the kitchen, but there is no arrangement whatsoever for cooking. And even if it was, I cannot cook. So that's not an option, and that is the reason why we had to settle in from ordering from outside. And that is what we're going to be doing from next week onwards. And the food is here. Thank you. Here is the box. Let's unwrap it. No, let's unbox it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And here is the box. Let's unbox it. Okay, so we have this box here right now. So this is a Ramadan special hamper from Barbecue. Let's get unboxing. Ta-da! So you have your fruits, your dessert 1, dessert 2, and then some dips. There is this location as well as a discount coupon. Then you have a spoon and fork. This is what the entire thing contains. You have 5 different types of starters. You have prawn, chicken, fish, and everything. You have 3 different types of curries. You have a mutton curry, there's chicken. There's also a dal over here. There's rice, there's paratha. You have your salad, some fruits, and 2 different types of desserts as well. So this is what the entire box contains. Let's start eating. I'm going to be starting off with some shrimps as well as fish. Let's taste the shrimp first. It's pretty good. Next up we have fish finger. It comes with dips, but I'm going to avoid it. It's really nice. Alright, next up we have 2 bonelesses. You have a fish kebab as well as a chicken kebab. Let's pick up the chicken kebab first. Now these kebabs are made from the leg piece of chicken, which ensures that they are very, very juicy, not at all stiff. Really nice. Next I'm going to show you the fish kebab.
Time goes by with you.
Mm. The fish is very soft and it's fresh, but it just has no taste whatsoever inside, so it's pretty bland. The final kebab which I'll be having is the chicken tangdi. They've given two good sizes. This is so good. Alright, round two. We have the main courses now. So let's start. I'm gonna take a little bit of the biryani. It's filled with so much of barista. Then there's aloo. Let's see the chicken or mutton biryani. It's a chicken biryani, guys. They've also given a little bit of a salan to go with it. So I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit on top of this. I'm gonna leave the Rogan Josh as well as the dal with the parathas they've given. So I'm gonna have the methi murg along with the biryani. So let me just pick up one piece of this methi murg. So I'm gonna have my first bite with the aloo as well as a little bit of the salan. I remember the last time I tried the biryani from this place. I did a video of the barbecue nation in a box. The biryani was a little stale. Today is not, it's pretty good. Next up, with the chicken. It's pretty good. Finally, the methi murg. I must say, even the salan which they give with this, it tastes pretty good. It's very nice. The next part of my meal, I'm having the paratha. They've given a lachedar paratha. I'll have a little bit of dal. And some mutton Rogan Josh. Check out these. So rich. Whoops. I have to have these. See how rich these are. Let's try it with the dal first. Oh, I almost forgot. You also have the salad over here. I'm gonna pick some. You're giving beetroot, cucumber as well as onion. Let's have it with the dal first. Pretty decent. Nothing, it's not very smooth, but then again, this is a part of a box. You're not gonna get the best items which you get normally on a la carte, because each dal then would cost you close to 300-400 rupees. So you will also need to keep your expectations a little moderate. If you do, you're gonna pretty much enjoy this box. Finally, the mutton Rogan Josh. Even the paratha is not very oily, it's made home style. So that's pretty good. The mutton too is pretty good. It's not very soft, it could have been softer, but overall, all the items, the starters barring the fish, most of the main course items, it's pretty impressive what they've done this time around. We've had a pretty good day. It has actually surprised us pleasantly. Finally, we are having the desserts. So let's try the fruits. They've given grapes, watermelons and dates. I love the former two. I don't like the latter. It's pretty good, so I'm going to skip the dates. The last two items are their famous mini gulab jamuns as well as some kheer. Payasam. Let's try this one. So good. This is a season special, especially for Ramadan. finally I'll be having the mini gulab jamuns, and I must say I am extremely satisfied with this particular box. This is priced at 1,000 rupees, but if you're ordering from them directly, it's priced at 800 rupees. You have another couple of days to try out before the Ramadan ends. This one is perfect for a family. It has a good mix of starters, all different types, fish, chicken, etc. You have mutton in the main courses. I think this is suffice for 2 to 3 people. Pretty decent quality they've given. Quantity is also pretty good. So this is definitely one item which you guys can try and enjoy during this festival season at home together. This is good. और क्या चाहिए? एगो टमाटर ना? हाँ. है.
I'm not gonna do much, please.
है जो.